Imagine waking up one night, and the moon is just gone. No crescent, no glow, no reflection on the water, nothing. Just a big, black hole in the sky. Would we freak out? Absolutely. But that's just the beginning of our problems. So, what if the moon suddenly vanished, like it was never there to begin with? No explosion, no debris, poof. 1 second it's lighting up the night, and the next, it's gone. You might think, well, okay, that's weird, but how bad could it be? Oh, buckle up, because the moon is secretly holding Earth together in more ways than you think. First off, our nights would be darker. The moon reflects sunlight to Earth, making our nights about 400,000 times brighter than if it weren't there. Without it, you'd barely see anything outdoors unless you were in a city full of lights. Animals that rely on moonlight, like owls, bats, and sea turtles, would be completely thrown off. Sea turtles use the moon's light to find the ocean after hatching. Without it, they'd wander aimlessly inland instead. Not ideal for baby turtles. And humans. You'd definitely notice how eerie the night feels. No more moonlit walks, no tides rolling under a glowing sky. Just darkness. Speaking of tides, here's where things get messy. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the high and low tides we see every day. If the moon vanished, those tides would shrink to only about 1/3 their normal size, driven only by the sun's weaker pull. Coastal ecosystems would go haywire. Many marine species depend on tidal patterns for feeding and breeding: crabs, shellfish, and countless tiny organisms. Fishing industries. Wrecked. And all those beach towns that depend on tidal movement. They'd notice the difference immediately. But the real chaos isn't in the water, it's in Earth's spin. See, the moon acts like a stabilizer for our planet's tilt. Right now, Earth is tilted at about 23.5 degrees, giving us our nice, predictable seasons. Without the moon's gravitational pull, the tilt could start to wobble like a badly balanced spinning top. Over thousands of years, Earth might swing between almost no tilt, meaning no seasons, and extreme tilt, think, one half of the planet baking in endless sunlight while the other freezes in permanent night. Climate patterns would collapse. Crops wouldn't know when to grow. Civilizations, if they were still around, would have to keep migrating just to survive the changing world. The moon also slows down Earth's rotation through its gravitational tug. Without it, our planet would gradually spin faster. That means shorter days, not suddenly, but over millions of years. Instead of 24 hours, days could shrink to maybe 18 hours. Imagine constantly feeling jet-lagged for eternity. Plus, faster rotation could mean stronger winds, more violent storms, and oceans sloshing around with extra energy. Basically, Earth becomes a moodier, stormier place. And remember, the moon is our shield in space. It's taken thousands of hits from asteroids that might have otherwise hit us. Without that big target out there, Earth would face more direct impacts. Not an extinction-level event every week, but statistically, we'd be dodging a lot fewer cosmic bullets. So, between darker nights, messed-up tides, unstable seasons, faster days, and more asteroid strikes, losing the moon would turn our calm blue planet into a much more chaotic one. So next time you glance up at the moon, whether it's full, half, or just a sliver, remember, it's not just pretty scenery. It's literally keeping our planet balanced, our oceans moving, and our nights glowing. Without it, Earth would still exist, but it would be a very different, much rougher home. If you enjoyed this cosmic what if, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What's the first thing you'd do if the moon disappeared tonight? Because honestly, after this video, I'd probably just stay indoors.